Hey guys, I'm here with my roommate's 2009 Nissan Altima. Just did a valve cover, intake manifold, and exhaust manifold gasket job on this thing. We did break the PCV blow-by hose. However, we kind of jerry-rigged that back together in the meantime while we're getting parts. And I'm just hearing this vacuum hose leak that I'm not really sure where it's coming from. So I was wondering maybe if anyone watches this, if they could maybe give any idea. It is pulling a P0171 code. So I'll go and start up the engine. You guys can see you guys can hear how bad that sucking noise is. You guys can see service engine light soon is on. So if we get out, it's weird because you come up here and the sucking noise doesn't seem to be coming from the actual blow-by hose. As you guys can see, obviously ghetto rig is shit, but it seems to be coming from down underneath. And my idea is that maybe I forgot to plug in one of the hoses that's down here, but I don't really see anything. At least as of right now. But yeah, I'm not really sure. If you guys have any ideas, let me know in the comments. And if you guys really think it's just that PCV blow-by hose, I guess that would be the problem fixed. But yeah, thanks.